Good morning, class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter name is Conjunction. C-O-N Con, J-U-N-C Junct, C-T-I-U-N Shun. Conjunction. Conjunction means, what is the meaning of conjunction? Joining words and or but because. We are joining sentences with the help of these words and or but because, etc. I can fly but you cannot. The word but is used to join two opposite ideas in the sentence. I can fly but you cannot. Dream about a pen, dream about a pencil. Now look there. How we use conjunction in new sentence? Use of and, dream about a pen and a pencil. What is conjunction in this sentence? And is used to join two similar ideas in a sentence. But is used to two opposite ideas and is used to similar ideas. Or, should I eat an apple? Should I eat an orange? Now I am telling you use of are. Should I eat an apple or an orange? Or is used while talking about different choices, but is used when we are talking about opposite ideas, and is used when we are talking about similar ideas, or is used while talking about different choices. Raj was sad he lost his watch. Now we are telling reason here, use of because. Raj was sad because he lost his watch. Because is used to tell the reason of something. Thank you. Now we will start our book work. Take out your books, page number 92. Now I explain what is conjunction. You understand very well. Joining words are called conjunction. They are used to join words and sentences. Now very simple exercise. Exercise A is here. Join these sentences using and. In all sentences you have to use and on page number 92. How we do? Sentence number 2. Shiraz has a ball. Shiraz has a bat. Now similar ideas are there. So what we do? Shiraz has a ball and a bat. Rida has a pencil. Rida has an eraser. Rida has a pencil and an eraser. Understand? After this, turn the page. Page number 93. Circle the correct conjunction to complete the sentences. You can tick mark also. This exercise is long or but easy. So what we write? This exercise is long but easy. After this, page number 94. Join the following sentences using conjunction and but because. Asif is ill, his brother is ill. Asif and his brother is ill. Now you have to write by yourself which sentence we use. When we talk about similar ideas, you will use and. When we talk about opposite ideas, you can use but. Okay, do this exercise like this. After this, page number 95. Exercise G. Put a suitable conjunction in each blank. You have to just fill these blanks with the help of conjunction. Page number 96. Fill in the blanks using the conjunction in the box. You only use and but because. With the help of these three conjunctions, you have to fill this page. Okay. After this, page number 97. Fill in the blanks with and but or. After this, pick out the conjunction in each sentence and write in the blank. Conjunction is given in these sentences. He is old yet he can run fast. Yet is a conjunction. So you have to copy down you have to write the conjunction in the blanks. Okay. Conjunction is there in sentences. Exercise G. After this, join each pair of sentences using a suitable conjunction. You have to join these sentences. I am writing just answer. You have to rewrite the whole sentence. The beggar is poor but he is happy. You have to write like this. You have to copy down the whole sentence. Page number 99. Use each of sentences conjunction in sentence of your own. You have to make sentences use of conjunction. For example, and Ali and Saad are good friends. You can make by yourself. After this, pick out different conjunctions from the paragraph. Write them in the blanks given below. You have to circle the conjunction. First of all, read this paragraph, pick out the conjunction and circle in the paragraph, and then write in the given blanks. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.